I tell people that there are 4 things that you want to do for any business. Number 1, help your company to make more money, possibly. If we get grants or whatever, even though, what's your role in the organization? Career support. You are in career support, but your uncle is somebody in United Nations and whatever, and you can actually bring that now. Usually people that are in career support who want to do their career support role well, but she has a target in terms of financials. How much are you looking at? I'll just give it to you. Just close up here. This year?
About $900,000.
$900,000. Now, can you imagine if she, so what's the name? Inform. If Inform gets a connect that brings $100,000, please, will you just look at that as career support?
No.
How will you begin to look at that?
She can do bigger things.
In fact, they will be tempted to move into marketing, but I know you want to stay in career support. And that's the challenge. If you prefer, I go and bring more money. No. The new type of employee has, capacity to be their role, but be relevant to their business. The figures she's mentioning, $900 to $1,150, $900,000, are the things that drive what she's thinking.